Imagine waking up and realizing your job no longer exists. Not because you were fired, but because the world simply doesn't need it anymore. Welcome to the age of automation, AI, and transformation. By 2030, entire careers may vanish quietly. No alarms, no headlines. Just gone. This isn't science fiction. This is already happening. And the question is, will your job survive the next 5 years? Or will it be replaced by a line of code? Let's explore the top 5 jobs expected to vanish by 2030, and what might replace them. But don't panic, there's a bigger picture. We're not losing jobs, we're trading them. So let's begin. The future starts now. Once, they were the final human interaction in every shopping trip. Today, their future is scanned and bagged. Supermarkets worldwide are replacing cashiers with touchscreens. No small talk, no "have a nice day." Amazon Go stores pushed it even further. No lines, no checkout, just walk out. AI tracks every move, every item. Cashiers aren't inefficient. They're just no longer necessary. Walmart, Target, Tesco, they all agree. Fewer wages, more efficiency. For companies, it's simple math. But what happens to the people? Millions of them. In the US alone, over 3 million cashier jobs are at risk. That's more than the population of Chicago. So, what replaces them? Not a who, a what. The cashier's role isn't gone. It's been upgraded. We all remember the calls, the awkward pauses, the scripts, the persistence. But those voices, they're changing. Now machines sound more human than ever. No coffee breaks, no emotion, no complaints. AI doesn't stutter. It doesn't forget the pitch. And it never gets tired of being hung up on. Companies realize something. Machines don't need motivation. They just work. GPT-based voice agents can sell, support, even negotiate. And they're already being used, right now. You may not even notice. AI voices are emotional, reactive, even funny. And they don't get nervous when closing a deal. Telemarketing isn't dying. It's evolving into code. Millions of voice agents all working at once. And not a single one of them needs a coffee break. Remember planning a vacation through an actual person? You'd sit down. They'd flip a brochure. Now it's all one click. AI travel bots can find better deals than most humans. They compare thousands of options in milliseconds. No lunch breaks, no "let me call you back." 24/7 travel advice, for free. And now, AI even builds your itinerary. Tell it what you like, it handles the rest. Want a Paris trip with wine, art, and jazz? Done, in 3 seconds. And no human agent could do that fast. Companies noticed, profits noticed, so did millions of customers. By 2030, most travel agents will be digital. Their faces, AI avatars, their desks, the cloud, their power, infinite. Travel agents aren't gone. They've evolved into code. For over a century, humans have been behind the wheel, but not for much longer. Self-driving cars are no longer an experiment. They're on the road, now. From delivery vans to robo-taxis, the driver is optional. AI doesn't need rest. It doesn't text. It doesn't sleep. Accidents? Fewer. Errors? Less likely. And companies love the savings. No wages, no unions, no breaks. Uber, Lyft, Tesla, they've all invested billions. And truck driving? Long hauls, no hotels, no fatigue. They drive straight for days, and they don't ask for overtime. By 2030, millions of driving jobs may disappear. Taxis, buses, trucks, couriers, gone or transformed. It's not about who's driving. It's about who's programming the destination. Factories used to be filled with people. Now they echo with the sound of machines. Industrial robots don't strike. They don't sweat. They just produce. One robot can replace dozens of workers, and it never takes a sick day. AI manages quality, speed, and safety better than humans. Faster, cheaper, precise. And now, robots are learning too. They adapt, they adjust, they train themselves through data. Humans become the backup. Or worse, obsolete. Millions of factory jobs are at risk. From textiles to tech, no sector is safe. And the robots? They never complain. They don't ask for benefits. They just show up, never leave. Factory workers aren't being replaced by people. They're being replaced by precision. So, what happens when your job is next? Do we resist the future or prepare for it? Because this wave won't stop, but you can learn to ride it, adapt, reskill, reimagine. Because while jobs disappear, new ones are being born. The future of work is not about fear. It's about being ready. Subscribe for more AI-powered truths. The next chapter begins soon.